Okay, so write an equation in slope-intercept form. So I'm being very specific again. I want you to write it in slope-intercept form of a line that passes through 4, -10 and is parallel to y equals 7/8 x and minus 3. So the first thing, you guys, I'm just going to do this example a little bit different because I want you to be in that frame of mind. So the first thing is I want you to think about the slope that is given. What is the given slope? In this problem, what is the slope that is given to you? 7/8 is given to you. What kind of line am I looking for?
Parallel.
Okay. Now, how I know I'm looking for parallel lines is because it passes through and is parallel to. So I'm looking for a parallel line. So if my given slope is 7/8, what is my parallel line slope? 7/8, because they're the same. Now, if I put perpendicular, then you would know that if this was positive, this would be negative and flipped upside down. But I'm looking for a line that's parallel. And you guys, on the test, probably I would give you one like this. I'd give you 3 steps. I might ask you, what is the given slope? What is the parallel slope? What is the perpendicular slope? And then I might ask you a question. Just to lead, it's called leading you to the problem so that you guys I could see if you understood that part, okay? Now, we're going to write it in point slope form. Okay. What happens to this y right here? It stays. Nothing is going to, that never changes. The minus change, the minus stays, so y1. So now, you guys, I see 4 numbers in the problem that I can choose from. Which number represents y1? -10. So you guys, these are questions that when you're doing this problem, you have to ask yourself, which one represents y1? Okay, what represents m? I see a whole bunch of numbers. Which one represents m? Parallel line, the 7/8. So this is my m in the equation. What happens to this x, this plane x? Minus 4. That represents, so 4 and -10 are your x1 and your y1. So this becomes y plus 10 equals 7/8 x minus 4. And now what am I going to do with my 7/8? I'm going to distribute it. So y plus 10 is going to stay for right now. What is 7/8 times x? 7/8 x. What is 7/8 times -4? So what is 7 times 4? Over what? Okay. You can reduce now, but let's just, we'll reduce at the end, okay? So what do I have to change so I can add it to 28/8? So if you're looking at this, what needs to move? The 10, but if I can't just move the 10 over, right? I can't just add it to 28/8. So I'm going to have to change it. What is my new denominator going to be?
8.
So if my denominator is going to be 8, what am I going to multiply 10 by? 8. Whatever my denominator is, I multiply the whole number by. So 8 times 10 is? So far, any questions? What questions do you have up to this point? That's, yeah, okay. We're going to subtract 80 from both sides. Well, I'm sorry. We're going to subtract 88ths from both sides. Y equals 7/8 x. And what is -28/8 minus 88? I believe it's 108 over 8. And there's only one thing left to do. Now what are we going to do? We're going to reduce the 108 over 8. You will never make this fraction into a mixed number. Just leave it as an improper. So if I divide by 4, because I just noticed that 8 goes into 4, 4 goes into 8, 4 goes into 108, how many times? I'll help you, 27. And how many times does 4 go into 8? That's your answer. What questions do you have?